Hi, my name's Josie. I am a Master's of Occupational Therapy student. Thanks for checking out my profile today. I'm interested in seeing what opportunities you have available for me. I've been working with people with disabilities for the past 2 years now. I did my undergrad at the Evergreen State College where I got a dual degree, a bachelor's in science with an emphasis in evolutionary biology, as well as a bachelor of arts with an emphasis in social sciences and a minor in psychology. I'm very invested in both the science and the humanities and love how they can work together very well in helping improve the everyday lives of every individual through the field of occupational therapy. I'm very excited that I have the opportunity to complete my master's at Eastern Washington University, where I hope to get all the training I need to work in a variety of different areas of the scope of practice of occupational therapy. But I'm also interested in pursuing research as it relates to circadian rhythm development in children and the treatment of circadian rhythm disorders in pediatrics. I'm also very passionate with political advocacy and defending the profession of occupational therapy and expanding its outreach to vulnerable populations in the United States. I'm anxious to see how the new healthcare reforms are going to impact accessibility to rehabilitative medicine. Please take the chance to look at my profile. I really appreciate you stopping by. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.